Stop. Don't do it. Don't quit. I'm working with a company overseas which downsized. And a lot of people left that company and just went somewhere else to get an income. And majority of those people are unhappy. Whether you're running away from something, an obstacle, or you're running towards something, an opportunity, plan for it. And I can help. I'm amazed by the number of people that go out there and just run from job to job and things don't improve. They're not happier. They don't earn more. They're not doing more meaningful work. So if you want to pivot and thrive, I have a workshop. It's at jamesheidemanconsulting.com. It's inexpensive. It's got a video to help you through the process, plus a workbook to help you make informed decisions. So stop. Don't move until you're ready, and move for the right reasons. Wish you good luck.